In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can hide or unhide row and column in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see some data. If we want to hide all the column from this file, you can do it. You just need to select the column. We are selecting those columns and right click of your mouse. Here you can see an option which is hide. Click there. Look, all the data has been hide. And if you want to unhide this, you just need to go to there and you will see that a sign will arrive, and right click of your mouse, you can see that unhide option. Click there. And if you go again, go there and unhide. You can do it. Go there and unhide all your data. And if you want to hide your row from your file, you just select your row and just click right button of your mouse and then go to hide. Your data has been hide. If you want to unhide this, you just need to go there and unhide this like that. This is the easiest way you can hide or unhide row and column from your file. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.